Hello everybody, this is a Olivetti MP1. First of all, you can activate the subtitles in your language. There are 30 languages. Maybe there is also your language. It's from 1933. Since the production started in 1932, this is one of the first MP1 produced. This typewriter is also known as Aiko. It's because there is no model name on the typewriter, but there is only this logo, Aiko. So people think the model is Aiko, but it's not the model of the typewriter, it's the brand name, and it means Engineer Camillo Olivetti, the engineer who founded Olivetti. The Aiko were also on the first Olivetti, the M1. You see this logo? It's always an Aiko. It was the first portable typewriter built by Olivetti. Olivetti MP1 means Olivetti Machine Portable 1, but there isn't this model name on the typewriter. Probably it's for commercial reasons, because this was the first portable typewriter built by Olivetti, and they didn't want people to know this was the first portable they built. A customer wouldn't trust to buy the first typewriter model from a little-known manufacturer when there are well-known German or US brands on the market. They avoided to write it, so the buyer could think it was a well-tested typewriter and could feel more confident to buy it. At those times, a customer couldn't check the review of the buyers on the smartphone, didn't know how many stars had this product on Amazon, and cannot check the web shop of the manufacturer on their laptop. So Olivetti, compared with the concurrence, started late in this market, but in the end the sales were satisfactory. This typewriter was built from 1932 to 1950 for a total of 138,000 pieces. It's a simple typewriter. There is a backspace, shift for majuscules and shift block, color selector for the ribbon. This is the margin bypass. On the left there is a carriage blocking mechanism. The interline with the interline selector, 3 positions. The ribbon advance and reversal mechanism. And this lever is if you want to move the roller independently of the ratchet wheel notches, to make corrections, to enter the letters on a line, etc. You set the margins here. And this is the bell mechanism. On the right there is the knob, only on this side. This is a lever to move the carriage left and right. And with this lever you can adjust the sheet of paper. So that's all for this first Olivetti portable typewriter. We just can say it was the favorite typewriter by the French writer Marguerite Duras. Thanks for watching.